Assalamu alaikum students, मुझे कहते हैं अजहर यशाल. Welcome back. This is going to be IELTS PT. Sorry, not IELTS. This is going to be PT in PT Speaking module. In PT Speaking, there are read aloud, repeat sentences, describe image, read a lecture, and answer short questions, short answers. So I have taken one read aloud paragraph, and this paragraph is when you are given a time. Initially, they give you like 35 seconds to read this. I'm going to read it. The total size and shell shape varies depending on where they live. The shell is made of bone and is dull brown color. Their ribs, backbone, and breastbone have become part of shell, which is why you can never separate the tortoise from its shell. You are getting 35 seconds. In 35 seconds, you have to go through all these questions. You have to go through the pronunciation. You have to go through the pauses or the full stop, the commas, and then get the idea. And then you have to speak. No, I'm going to speak now. The tortoise size and shell shape varies depending on where they live. The shell is made of bone and is a dull brown color. Their ribs, backbone, and breastbone have become part of the shell, which is why you can never separate the tortoise from its shell. Now I'm gonna submit and let's see what is going to be the score. There's a background noise as well. जो बैक साइड पे इस वक्त मुझे आवाज आ रही है आपको my office. It is 81. Right. So you can easily get, if you are preparing here with me, and if you want to prepare your PT, you can come here and you can easily get 80 plus score. It is going to be shell, then it is going to be off, shell, and shell. Let's do again. Let me do again. Let me try another time. What would be the score? The total size and shell shape varies depending on where they live. The shell is made of bone and it's a dull brown color. Their ribs, backbone, and breastbone have become part of the shell, which is why you can never separate the tortoise from its shell. I'm gonna submit again. Let's see the score. Click to score. Okay. This time it has given 78, but if you see there is no any kind of mistake. Like it is everywhere it is green. Earlier there were some oranges, like there were the problems of like sound or diphthongs or p sound like that. This time everything is correct, but he has given me 78 score. Why it is 78 score? Because of just these pauses. I have given four pauses. So don't worry about this. You can easily get 80, 80 plus score. If you want to prepare PT, come here and join us. And for more details, you can visit our Facebook page and you can follow us. If you want to contact us, you can simply dial 0092 317 970 4572, or you can visit Yashal English House. We are located in Rawalpindi. Midway Centrum के अंदर हमारा ऑफिस है 6 रोड के ऊपर. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.